broadband wireless technology, because we actually are moving towards the high data rate, right? So by using this broadband wireless technology, higher data rates are achievable, right? And we can transmit graphics, right? So in order to transmit graphics, because they are carrying more data, right? So by using broadband wireless technology, we can use we can transmit graphics, video and audio, right? And it shares the same advantages of our all wireless services: convenience and reduced cost, right? Services can be deployed faster than fixed services because we need more time to lay down the cable. So the wireless will take less time for infrastructure building, right? So no cost of cable plant, service is mobile,